Welcome to today's guide on how to filter sent emails with PDF files on Gmail. If you've ever needed to find exactly which messages you've sent with PDF attachments, this quick tutorial will save you time and frustration. We'll walk through each step clearly so you can do it right on your phone. First, open the Gmail app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to check your sent messages. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of your screen and tap the menu icon that's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. From the list that appears, scroll until you see the Sent option and tap it. This will open your folder containing all the messages you've sent from that account. You might see a long list of emails, but don't worry, we're about to narrow that down in seconds. At the top of the screen, just below the search bar, you'll find the filter options. Tap on the one labeled attachment. This feature allows Gmail to sort out only the emails that include any kind of file. Now, you'll notice a few choices, such as images, documents, or PDFs. To view only the emails that have PDF attachments, tap PDFs. Gmail will instantly refresh and display only the messages from your sent folder that include PDF files. You can now open, forward, or download those attachments as needed without scrolling endlessly through all your other emails. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to filter your sent emails with PDFs using Gmail on your mobile device. It's a small trick that keeps your workflow clean and efficient, especially if you often share documents for work or study. If this guide helped you find your files faster, make sure to try it out whenever you send or search for PDFs in Gmail. Thanks for tuning in.